And so 1, 2, and 3. And I can able to get 3 beads side consistency. And then, should we do a hot pink or should we do green? Hot pink? Oh, maybe green with this, then it might be a lot. And I need 2 beads for that on the crowns. And this is, I'm using is 40 gels. Maybe I should do one with acrylic. You want to see the acrylics done too? It's gonna be stunning too. And I can always keep it like the extra there just in case I needed it. Hot pink, 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 pink. Hello, hello everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in. All right, so with this one, you are going to using your is 3D brush, and you don't necessarily need to using yours alcohol at all. Only you need the alcohol when you need to like clean the tip of your brush. I mean the silicone tips. So just in case that it have a little bit tacky layer. You definitely can clean it. Okay, so now we are going to do like 3 dot, but then you are going to do it yours unicorns a little bit curve to look at more soft look instead of just like straight, you know. So let's place just pick up ones. Thank you so much, Steffi Bean. How are you? Thanks so much for tuning in. It looks like it look like, what is that? It doesn't look cool at all. So you get an idea of yours, like start your crowns for the unicorn here and keep it flat. Too far away. And we're using the tips to keep it flat. Thank you so much, Steffi Bean. And then keep it using the tips and the body of it and blend, 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 like flatten it. And now you're gonna simple is make a dot right in the middle. This is a sort of really cute, simple way to do this unicorn. There are so many different ways as well. There's some is really like a fun way to do too. And you're gonna using the tips of your 3D brush, which is your silicones, and you're going to make a sword. And then same thing with this one. Give it a little bit, it's like I say separate it here. and then you can using the tips of your brush of silicones and twist it. And do not worry if it's not perfect the way you want yet, because we are going to, it will not set and not clear until you are satisfied with what you are create or what you are sculpting with. All right. So then we'll move on to the next one. I put this one a little bit more because I like her flowers to be really cute. Oh, it's not much for her flowers, so you want to make sure that her flowers and the crowds looks cute. Give it a little swirl, and then flatten it. Thank you so much, Tomika. Thank you, thank you. How's everyone doing on Wednesday? It's so good to see everyone here today. All right, so if you're happy with this, we're all flat here or keep it there. And we can do another beads. But you feel like you are going to create this some others like cute flowers on it. You don't want to mess it up with that. And I'm gonna give it a little quick swirl right there. Did I say happy Wednesday today or happy Thursday?
You said Monday.
Wednesday. Ha 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 ha, yeah. Hey Billy, you made it. You can flash here if you wished. You can like go right into work if you want to, definitely. Billy, thanks so much for tuning in and happy Wednesday to you. Hey Dom, how are you? You made it, Dom. Hold on. So now when it happened like this is my I'll check it off. My silicones need to wipe off. Just wipe it off using alcohol and paper towel, lint-free paper towel. All right. Oh my God, Dom, you just finished live. That's awesome, Dom. Oh my God, I have to watch replays. I've been working and for so many new cool things is coming. I get about an hour break. I go live for all of us, having fun, and then I'll go back to work again. So, you know, with this one, doesn't matter what you feel, imagine it. It can be, you can do it in like kind of a sculpting it like a leaf. It looks like it, but it's not. Maybe? I don't know, whatever is like colorful, I would love. It looks super cute for unicorn. All right. So happy we are going to Kia. You know, you can mix, what is that called? The horns? No.
Yeah, the horn.
The horns?
Yes.
No, it's not the horn.
Yeah, it's unicorn horn.
It is?
Yes.
Okay. So there's option, okay? We can use the crystal placements, the crystals. Super adorable from Transcended Kids. Maybe we should have her wearing one of the Transcended, this is a Transcended pack. I'm sorry. Can I get my crystal kits? The pink one on the drawer? Top one. Yes.
Big one.
You can do, okay, let me flash gear quick. And then, can I get another one? There's another one have the pink drop. Or I can do this.
You can do rose gold.
Rose gold. I want this one. Can you get me one of this?
Okay.
You can use this one also. Just give you some ideas. It doesn't have to be exactly what I'm doing. If you have this, you can play with. Absolutely.
Do they go?
No. Yeah, give me one. I just need one. No. I just need one.
Good.
The pink one. So many options. Oh. There's the gold, Transcended gold too.
Yeah, take it.
Oh, this one is so cute. Oh, I'm off the camera. Hey, Cookie Nookie. Hello, how are you? So, okay, let's do that. And I'm gonna draw her eyelashes first before we do crystal placements. And if you have, just this gel painting, Dom in the house, you can have her using precision brush. I mean her lashes.
Yeah, it's for a little while, but it's okay. We don't know what it is. It's okay. And hey, you got it correct now. Oh.
Dom, you did good though. Hi, Sharenda. Hello, Sheila. How are you? Is anybody working along with me? You wanna tune in? I promise with you this her eyeliner is waterproof after I cure. So just in case she's enjoying it out there, you know, it's outside, it won't wash off. If she goes swimming, it will not come off. I make her a little bit thicker. Like just really light touch, and then you can leave and then just press on and release it. All right. Hey, Slay Queen, how are you? Pandora, hello, how are you? So if you're doing this on the clients, yes, So if you're doing the clients, you're gonna turn the client's hand like this, on your angle. So you like your clients will be like this, you know. So then you can work on that. You can work on the other end instead of you turn the clients like that. I do that all the time for the clients though. Thank you so much. So I'm gonna do and get her lashes. So we decide she's using a medium long, short and medium. I'm gonna get hers like And just give it like a press and release. If you want her lashes to be longer, you can. Thank you so much, everyone. Hey, Nick. I missed a lot of comments from everyone, though. And we don't need do any crystal placement. You can do hers like corns right here with the 40 gels as well. So I'm gonna flash clear this one first. And you can leave her alone. You don't want to do any crystals on for her lashes. You okay to leave it alone? But I'm gonna put her horns on to make it look so cute. And we are going to using condensed glue gels when her nails. Did I get it right? All right, my new jar. You saw a lot on that seal, so I don't want to do this one off. Hi, Sharenda. How are you? Happy Wednesday, everyone. So excited to see everyone. Hey, Cece. Hi, April. All right, so that's about 5 comments I see. If I haven't seen anyone